Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. What is Selenium? Selenium is an open source browser automation framework. It allows us to control real browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox using code. With Selenium, we can perform everything a human does in a browser, typically typing, clicking, navigating pages, submitting forms, and validating results. Companies use Selenium because manually testing large applications is slow, expensive, and error prone. Selenium runs the same test automatically in minutes without human mistakes. That means faster releases, lower cost, fewer bugs reaching customer. Selenium is not just a testing tool, it is a browser automation engine. It works with C Sharp, Java, Python, and JavaScript. It runs on all operating systems. In this series, we will use Selenium only through a simple console application so you can clearly understand how Selenium actually works behind the scenes. Now let me show Selenium in action using a real business application, Cogmento CRM. Here, Selenium launches the Chrome browser, navigates to Cogmento app, and then it will try to find the email field, type the username, find the password field, and enter the password. And click on login button. Once the home page is loaded, it will validate the dashboard. So let me try to complete it through the sample script run. Here, what Selenium will do is Selenium will launch a real browser, navigate to the Cogmento login page, enter the username, password, click on login. Once the dashboard is loaded, it will try to validate the dashboard page once the login is successful. So as we can see, login is successful. We can see the error message printed. This is Selenium. It controls real browsers and automates real application. In the next video, we will see how Selenium communicates with the browser internally.